Happy Tuesday, everybody. It is really sensational outside right now. Enjoy it while it lasts because colder air on the way. It arrives tonight, and tomorrow you will really feel the difference. So we'll go from a high of 65 today, almost 20 degrees cooler tomorrow to 47. We're just skipping over our average here, 56. We're going a little bit above and a bit below. And it's going to be closer to 47 for the rest of the week than it will be to today, unfortunately. We've come back down a degree at this point, 64. I would expect that trend to continue as the sun gets ready to set. And we're also watching some clouds. We're looking to the northwest right here. I wanted to show you these clouds and why that is noteworthy. But winds west-southwest right now. Until those winds flip around, we're not going to see the temperature change really start to take effect. But that will happen behind this little trough right here. Right now, draped across the Mass Pike, moving through, just moved through the I-91 corridor over in Springfield, and now Worcester getting in on the action. Quick little burst of heavy rain out of this little trough again right here, and that will likely impact parts of our area, say over the next 90 minutes. So we'll continue to track that out throughout the newscast for you. That will signal the arrival of that colder air. The cold front itself came through this morning. That's what brought the bulk of the rain. But again, it was a little bit of a lag between those chillier temperatures catching up. So we were able to take advantage of a really nice afternoon when those highs soared into the 60s. Now, the cold air is going to, as I mentioned, be with us for the better part of the remainder of the week. We have another system right now that's started to develop over the upper plains and upper Midwest. This warm front almost extends so far down, it almost connects with that departing cold front. The atmosphere is all connected after all. But snow in the leading edge, a cold rain down the rest of the front, and that's going to impact us late in the nighttime hours Wednesday, more so Thursday. But some interesting developments in the timing here. I'll show you in a second. So there's our little front again, comes through around 5 to 6 p.m. Fast moving, so it should be out of here, maybe still in parts of southeast Mass by the 7 o'clock hour. Now, as we head into tomorrow morning, early in the morning, you'll start to see those temperatures really drop down into the 40s and eventually even a few 30s by tomorrow morning. But we do have plenty of sunshine tomorrow. That's the only saving grace. Clouds start to come back in, again, ahead of that next storm system. Here we are Wednesday afternoon into the evening. Now, we have seen this timing sped up more and more so. The fact that this rain is going to now be entering temperatures in the 30s means that we could see, especially northern portions of our area. Look at this, northern Providence County into parts of Bristol County, changing over to a little bit of sleet mixed in. I think the wet snow risk is going to be a little bit further north, but sleet could cause for some slippery roads out there, especially as we head towards the Thursday morning commute. Here we are at 5:30 in the morning. But as you can see, at that point, it's mostly just a cold rain across the area. So not a nice day on Thursday whatsoever. And we can see some heavier showers developing then as we head into the afternoon. So this is not a morning or afternoon event. It looks to be mostly an all-day thing, just a little bit on and off. But yeah, 40s and rain, not so nice, but a better end to the weekend as we head into the weekend. 38 tonight. Now, that's not going to be your evening temperature. That's going to be your wake-up temperature. We will gradually fall through the 60s this evening, 50s and 40s overnight, so it's quite the temperature tumble. A little breezy as well, helping to reinforce that chillier air. There's your high tomorrow, 47. Big difference from today. A little blustery at times. Again, we have to now, whenever we talk about wind this time of year, factor in our feels like temperature or our wind chill value, what it'll feel like on our skin. That's something that's going to come back into play on Saturday. But hey, dry weekend, we'll take it any way it comes, right? Thursday, the rain, a chilly rain. Watch for a little bit of mixing with sleet early in the morning. Friday is mostly cloudy, a little bit milder at 53, not by a lot. That may be the last time we get to 53. Until maybe the middle of next week. 40s over the weekend, plenty of sunshine for your Veterans Day as well as Sunday. And look at the overnight temperatures, that pink color indicating below freezing numbers as we head Sunday morning, Monday morning, and Tuesday morning. It's a little chilly, Alyssa, but at least no storms on the horizon as we look ahead through the weekend and into next week.